Please watch this video if you are an animal lover and if you are not an Indian citizen. So my dear foreigners, you have known India for its rich culture, rich heritage, for our compassion towards animals. But let me give you a reality check today. We might be rich in culture, but we don't really practice it. We might have strong values, but we don't really abide by it. We might have rich heritage, but we don't respect it. And we might seem as very compassionate towards animals, but is it really true? You know what? Our central government and most of the citizens of India, they have intolerance towards animals. So they don't love animals, they hate them, they cannot coexist with them. They don't want to coexist with animals anymore. They never wanted to, and now since the government is supporting them, they are taking extreme measures to harm animals. So this is what is currently happening in India from the past few weeks. Around 2-3 weeks back, the government of India put a ban on feeding pigeons in Mumbai. It killed a lot of pigeons, and although a lot of people protested, but still now there is no respite. Very recently, there has been a new order passed by the Supreme Court of India, which asks Delhi to get rid of its stray dogs. And you know how? They plan to send these dogs to imaginary shelters that do not exist. The already existing shelters haven't been doing its job. They have been torturing and killing dogs for no reason, with no care, with no love, with no attention, with no food. And now they plan to suddenly eradicate the dogs of Delhi and nearby cities and sending them to some imaginary shelter. And as I said, these shelters doesn't exist. And these dogs are being brutally picked up without the consent and knowledge of the animal feeders and rescuers. And they have been either relocated, killed. We don't know what is happening around. There's a mass protest happening, not just in Delhi, but in other cities. But the government of India is not listening. The order has been reserved as of now, but still the cruelty continues. So this is the reality of India, and it is not just happening to animals, it is happening with humans as well. So please, as a citizen of India who cannot see the plight of the animals and fellow humans, I request you all foreigners to please boycott India and Indian tourism. Please boycott Indian products. Please boycott at large scale. And if possible, please raise voices. Please raise your voice against whatever is happening with our animals. And we want worldwide protest against it.